Ever wondered how many languages exist in the world, or how many trees are there on Earth? Welcome to the realm of the world's mysteries, a place where seemingly ordinary facts unravel profound astonishment. From the teeming life in the deepest oceans, to the twinkling stars in the farthest galaxies, our planet and the vast universe it's a part of are filled with intriguing secrets waiting to be explored. Let's start with something that's a part of our everyday lives yet so extraordinarily diverse: languages. It's almost mind-boggling to think that there are over 7,000 spoken languages across the globe. Each of these languages, with its unique sounds, structures, and scripts, encapsulates the rich cultural heritage and history of the people speaking it. And while we are talking about languages, did you know that Papua New Guinea, a relatively small country, boasts the highest linguistic diversity with over 800 languages? Now let's take a breath that's possible due to the trees that cover our planet. Can you guess how many trees are there on Earth? We're talking about a whopping 3 trillion. That's right, there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth, providing us with the precious oxygen we need to survive, acting as homes for countless creatures, and playing a crucial role in balancing the Earth's climate. But these facts are just the tip of the iceberg. Our world is a treasure trove of knowledge, brimming with facts that are as fascinating as they are surprising. From the depths of our oceans to the heights of our skies and beyond, there's so much to discover, so much to learn. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of exploration and discovery? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into more fascinating facts about our world. Did you know that the total weight of all the humans on Earth is approximately 316 million tons? Quite a hefty figure, isn't it? But let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating fact. The human population is a dynamic entity, constantly growing and changing. As of now, we are over 7 billion strong, with an average weight of about 62 kilograms per person. This is how we arrive at the staggering total human weight of around 316 million tons. However, let's put this into perspective. If we compare our collective weight to that of another species, say ants, you'll be surprised to learn that they actually outweigh us. Yes, the tiny creatures scurrying under your feet right now could collectively outweigh the entire human race. It's a bit humbling, isn't it? Now, let's talk about density. The human population is not evenly distributed across the globe. Some places are densely populated, like the bustling city of Manila in the Philippines with over 41,000 people per square kilometer. On the other hand, there are places like Mongolia, where you'll find only 2 people per square kilometer. Here's another interesting fact. Have you ever wondered about the total number of humans who have ever lived versus the number of people alive today? Well, according to some estimates, about 108 billion people have walked the Earth since the dawn of humanity. That means the people alive today, all 7 billion of us, represent just about 6% of all the people who have ever lived. So in the grand scheme of things, we are but a tiny fraction of the human story. We are a fleeting moment in the vast timeline of our species. Yet we hold the power to influence the future of humanity and the planet. In the end, it's important to remember that while we may be just one species among millions, each and every one of us plays a significant role in the world. We are all connected, and together, we create the human element that shapes our shared history and future. Humanity is just a small yet significant part of this vast universe. Have you ever contemplated how many species exist on Earth, or how deep the ocean really is? In the grand tapestry of life that weaves its intricate patterns across the globe, biodiversity is the thread that binds it all together. Scientists estimate that there are around 8.7 million different species on Earth, but the true number could be much higher, given that new species are discovered every day. The majority of these, approximately 80%, are insects, showcasing the incredible diversity within just one class of life. Let's dive into the oceans, a world less explored than the surface of the moon. The deepest part of our oceans is the Mariana Trench, plunging down nearly 7 miles below the surface. This extreme environment is home to a myriad of creatures, some of which look more alien than anything we could imagine. It's estimated that there are over 1 million species in our oceans, many of which we've not yet discovered. On land, the world's tallest trees, the redwoods, reach skyward, some standing over 300 feet tall. They're among the oldest living things on Earth, with the oldest known individual, named Methuselah, believed to be over 4,800 years old. These ancient giants are a testament to the enduring strength of the natural world. But trees are just one example of the longevity of nature. Some species of tortoises can live for over 100 years, and there's a type of jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, that is essentially immortal. It can revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew over and over again. From the smallest bug to the tallest tree, the deepest ocean trench to the oldest living organism, the natural world is a symphony of life in all its varied forms. Each species, each organism, plays a vital part in the harmonious balance of our planet. The natural world is full of wonders that we are yet to fully comprehend. Can you guess how many emails are sent every second, or how much data is generated each day worldwide? Let's venture into the technological realm, a realm where data rain and bytes flow like rivers. In this digital world, an average of 296 billion emails are sent each day. Yes, you heard it right, 296 billion. That's about 34,000 emails sent every second, an astounding number that illustrates how integral email has become in our daily communication. But it doesn't stop there. Let's talk about data. Every day, we generate approximately 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. To put that in perspective, imagine a stack of DVDs reaching from the Earth to the Moon and back. That's the amount of data we're talking about, and this is not just random data. It includes everything from your latest social media post to the massive databases that companies use to understand their customers better. Speaking of social media, here is another mind-boggling fact. As of this moment, there are more than 3.8 billion active social media users worldwide. That's almost half the world's population scrolling through feeds, sharing moments, and connecting with others across the globe. All these interactions, posts, likes, and shares contribute to the colossal data generated every day. This digital world has become a vital part of our lives, intertwining with our routines, our work, our learning, and even our leisure. It is a world that never sleeps, with data flowing every second of every day, emails whizzing through the digital ether, and social media users continually engaging with each other. As we reflect on these staggering numbers, we can see how deeply technology has penetrated our lives. It has transformed how we communicate, how we work, how we learn, and even how we entertain ourselves. Technology is not just a tool, it's an extension of ourselves, shaping our experiences and our understanding of the world. Technology has truly reshaped our world in ways we couldn't have imagined a century ago. Have you ever thought about how many stars are in the observable universe, or how many galaxies exist? Let's take a journey into the cosmic frontier, the vast expanse of space that stretches out almost infinitely before us. When we look up at the night sky, we see a mere fraction of the stars in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. But how many stars are there really? Astronomers estimate there are around 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing up to several hundred billion stars. That's a number so colossal, it's almost impossible to truly comprehend. Now let's talk about the age of the universe. Using sophisticated technology and complex calculations, scientists believe our universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. Imagine that for a moment. Our human history is but a blink in the cosmic timeline, a fleeting moment in the grand scheme of things. Next, let's delve into the speed of light. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels at an astonishing speed of approximately 186,000 miles per second. This means that, in a single year, light can travel about 6 trillion miles. This measurement is known as a light year, and it's used by astronomers to measure the vast distances in the cosmos. For example, our nearest neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, is roughly 2.5 million light-years away. This means the light we see from Andromeda today actually started its journey over 2.5 million years ago. It's like looking into a cosmic time machine. The cosmos is a vast, mysterious frontier that continues to fascinate and baffle us. It's a place where our understanding is constantly challenged and expanded. As we continue to explore and learn, we realize that our place within this cosmic frontier is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the mysteries of our universe, and yet, it also reveals how much more there is to uncover.